So let's start out with Jupiter, right? Jupiter is the planet of expansion, and we experience a lot of experience, so you can look at it as expansion through experience. Now, the example that I like to normally use for Jupiter is Netflix. If you were freaking if you're a person that really likes food, Jupiter's gonna push you to binge eat, man. And this is probably like, since we're talking about Jupiter and Taurus, man, binge eating is probably if you probably are a Jupiter and Taurus if you do binge eat to some extent. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just need that physical thing to binge into because you won't allow yourself to engage with more experiences because you don't have any ground to walk on.